may have experienced the following situation. You don't enjoy your current job or life, and you want to make a change. But here is the question. What do you want to do next? You know you like to do something different, but you are not sure what exactly it is. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 considerations you should know before making any decision. Let's go. Hi, I'm Bliss. Welcome to my space, a place to nourish your mind. We make hundreds of decisions every day, whether we realize or not. Every day, we choose what to wear, what to eat, what to say, and what to do. Some of these choices are subconsciously made, so we don't even realize we're doing it. On the other side, we also make bigger decisions for our lives, such as whether to quit a job, start a new career, move home, go overseas, and etc. Those decisions usually take longer to consider, and sometimes we don't even know if we have made the right decision. Discovering what you really want to do with your life isn't a simple task. Sometimes we are so afraid of making wrong decisions, so we make no decision, or give away our power to let others make choices for us. Here are 2 facts. 1. Not making a decision is also a decision. 2. A wrong decision is better than no decision. We all wish we could be crystal clear about what we want for our lives, and we can make right decisions, contribute towards our goals, and lead us to the life we want. It sounds great, right? Today I'm going to share with you how to make life-changing decisions without regrets. Make sure you watch to the end so you can make your decision with ease next time. First, eliminate the options we don't want. Sometimes we may not come up with the best options in the first place. So reviewing all of our options together to identify the ones we prefer and eliminate the ones we don't want. I would like to share a method Mel Robbins suggested in her video. Ask yourself this question. Does the option expand you, expand your future, expand your possibilities in your lives? If the answer is yes, then the decision is yes, no matter how terrifying it is. If the choice shrank you or silence you, then the answer is no, no matter how easy it is. Before I make a decision, I always use this method to check every option I have, and it can easily filter out the ones I don't want to go with. Second, make decisions from our heart and use our head to work them out. Our heart and head are 2 major parts that determine our decisions. However, the decisions made by our head and heart are very different. If you think with your heart, it means you'll make decisions, meaning based on your feelings and intuition. On the other hand, if you think with your head, it means you rely on analysis and logic when you make choices. Since our heart is where our intuition and our true self resides, it means our heart truly knows what our ultimate desires and happiness are. I believe listening to our heart can move us to the path that we desire. If you're interested in the difference between our heart and our head, please check out my video, Why We Struggle to Make Decisions, and I will link it below. Thirdly, acknowledge our fears and work along with them. Sometimes making a decision is terrifying. That's because we are afraid to make wrong decisions, or we are scared to take risks. When our heart gives us the true voice about what to do, our head also works hard to feed us fearful thoughts and prevent us running into risks or avoiding uncertainties in life. For example, when you think about to quit a job, your head might tell you, hey, don't quit your job, otherwise you could end up in poverty. Or, all the jobs are almost the same, and you can't find a better one to make you happy. To be honest, most of these thoughts are not even true, but they keep us away from our passion and prevent us from living our dream. One way we can confront these fears is asking ourselves, are these thoughts 100% true? Very easily, you will notice the false idea and just let them go. In the end, fears are not going to make our lives better. They just keep us in the safe zone. Fourthly, let go of our expectations. When it comes to big decisions in our lives, the trick is not expecting to make the best decision. There is no such thing as the best choice. Every decision, no matter the outcome, helps us to grow and learn in some way. Even if it's only teaches us to avoid a similar choice in the future. However, we do have a choice to use our best knowledge to go with the decision that aligns with our true selves. Ask ourselves this: what would I do if I could not fail? And then ask, what would I still do, even I knew I might fail? Asking ourselves these questions helps free us from the fear of making wrong decisions. Plus, by knowing this, we can see which choices could lead us closer to our goals and which will take us away from them. If you obsess over whether you are making the best decision, you are basically assuming that the universe will reward you for that only thing and punish you for the others. Remember, there's no best decision, so choose what we want and then make it right. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.